How's it going, everyone? I'm Andrew with SpeedTech Lights, and welcome to another episode of SpeedTech SpotLight. In this episode, we're going to be going over our Z-6 TIR Super Takedown. So here I brought an amber unit, for example, and here I brought a red-blue. Now the difference with our Z-6 Super Takedown is the clear will not flash in the warning color of your unit. That's the difference between our Z-6 TIR Super Takedown and our Z Linear Multicolor series. Now to activate your Super Takedown, you'll use the green cables from your surface mounts here, and then you'll hold these to the positive connection. And then you'll see your units will go to Super Takedown mode. And then you can even unplug from your main power, so you don't need your main power to power your Super Takedown mode. You can do that independently from your green wires. So if you activate your green wires, you'll notice your units will activate their Super Takedown mode without your main power hooked up. So this is perfect if you need your warning mode hooked up to one switch that you can hook up. And then if you need your Super Takedown mode, or if you need a work light or reverse light, you can hook that green line up to another on-off switch, and you'll notice your units will go to Super Takedown mode. So this is a perfect unit if you need a warning light and a work light in one. So that covers our Z-6 TIR Super Takedown. If you have any questions, give us a call or shoot us an email. We'll talk to you soon. Thanks.